What are you playing?
You'll see. You'll see. See.
Ow! I busted my butt.
Callie.
No, I really
What
busted.
are you doing in here?
I really busted my butt. Oh, no, I'm serious. My butt hurt. I jumped and I really fell on my butt.
Get up.
It hurts.
Get up. Leave it.
Go.
Leave it. Game where you get to shut the garage or you get to drive.
You lost connection to the game, it says.
Oh. See, let's try to find another game like that.
I don't think there is another stinking game like that. Barely any games on this computer.
Callie Campbell!
That was funny.